used to feel tired every single morning. He started mixing these items into his daily routine. I started noticing a subtle shift in his mood that I wasn't expecting.